Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is regarding the Everyday Label Punch. The punch provides a great shape not only for masculine cards, but it will also hold a number of greetings. But there's other ways that you can use it, and I want to show you about those today. I cut a strip of 1 1/4 inch wide cardstock. You can come down inside the punch, and if you center it, looking at the top and the bottom for equal space, you're going to find that you've got a little bit smaller tag, which layers beautifully over the original size. Now you can take this a little bit further with a 1-inch strip. I'm just dumping out those excess pieces because you don't want to leave those in your punch. And then I'm centering this one as well. A tip about the punches that might be real helpful for you. If you're having difficulty lining them up, go ahead and position your paper where you want it, and then put a light squeeze here at the bottom. It'll actually lock the cardstock in place, making it easy for you to keep your image positioned, and then you can punch. So now we have one that's even smaller yet. So we've got one here in white too. So full size, 1 1/4 inch depth, 1 inch depth will give you a varied amount of layers for your punches. And look, the 1 inch fits over the 1 1/4 inch beautifully to make a real nice layer. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and would like a complimentary copy of the current catalog and are interested in ordering products, I'd be happy to send you one. Just leave me a comment below. I hope that today's quick tip has been helpful for you. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip video. Have a great day, everyone.